Hi guys, good morning everyone. Welcome back to my channel. This is Trading Twilight and I am Ankita Agnihotri, and today is Wednesday, and Wednesday market updates is like that. Bank Nifty is has given a beautiful breakdown, but it has hunt the liquidity and just a bull trap, I can say. And don't be confused yourself, like Bank Nifty is on rejection zone and these are the supply zones. So here I cannot afford a buy. I will be waiting where it's going to reject. So in this 20 moving average, if it is going to reject, this is a rejection zone, that 500 and all. So you can plan a selling side rather than going for a buy. I can see a imbalance in this positions in the long unwinding and also. So we can see a beautiful downfall in this rejection point. And why I am saying so, if you go with the chart of Nifty, so Nifty is also taking rejection at 670, which is also acting as a supply zone. Till then it is below 700, it is not a buyable zone. So 700 above I can also afford a buy for a 100-point target 800. But till then it is below 700. This is all our rejection zone, and it is taking rejection 24,650. Then I will be going to punch my order for the selling side, and I will be going to trail till the supports, which is 24,400 firstly, and if it is more 30-40 point, it can go 24,370. This is the my final target, and I can see the imbalance in the options, and long unwinding would be going to happen at these place. Till then it is not going to give any swing high till 676 above, 24,676 above. So it is in selling supply zone. So this is just a bull trap. It in these candles it's just given a bull trap, and long unwinding I can see in the option chain as well. So it is just giving you a false breakout and hunting the liquidity on the upside and giving you a downfall. This is very 80% probability we have. And why there are some certain triggers are there. Like if you go with a Dow Jones chart, so it has already rejected from the 20 moving average and it is negative since morning. So how much our market is going to digest it, I don't know. Maybe it will be going to react very soon. And Reliance, in the morning only I have shared the short that Reliance is taking breakdown and taking a rejection at this point in the opening only. So this is the reason I am not looking for a buy. I have skipped the buy, the false breakouts and all. I was looking that where is going to reject Reliance, then I am will be going to definitely go for a selling in the Nifty and Bank Nifty. And Bank Nifty components is since morning it's not supportive. If you go with the chart, why Bank Nifty is just maintaining itself due to certain stocks, Kotak Bank and all. But HDFC is taking rejection, same like Reliance at this 20 moving average. So here I am not seeing any sort of buy. If Bank Nifty is going to give a breakdown of 53,300, then it will be going for a gap filling in the downside. So 53 52,950 is 52,800 is possible. So rather than going for a buy, you can look for a selling, and ICICI also rejecting it here, guys. So our setup is active, I think, and my limit order is going to be punched at 650 below 24,650. Axis Bank is little bit slightly positive, maybe it will be going to reject. And this is a selling, and this is a selling retracement sort of selling is coming in this Axis Bank as well. And this is Federal Bank making same price action. This is kind of double top, and neckline is 214, and this is moving average as well. So more selling will be going to triggered. And Infi is also just taking same like Nifty, liquidity hunting, and maybe it will be ready for a downfall. And TCS is negatives, guys, so it is supportive to Nifty for a downfall. Okay, so logic is perfectly fine to going in the selling side. I am not considering a buy. I will be considering a buy till the extreme